Hello, welcome to Kulturschöpfer YouTube channel and welcome back to Creative Sessions for Kids and Adults. In today's session, we are going to get inspired by the artwork of Jackson Pollock. We are going to paint a canvas using the amazing technique of action painting or drip painting, that is the easy technique of just splashing paint into the canvas and enjoying a lot the process, letting your inner artist take control of the situation and just paint. Just dance with the vibrations of the paint and enjoy it. So I hope that you are ready because this creative session is going to be amazing. Let's do it! What do we need for this creative session? We will need some tablecloth to protect our area. But this time I'm not going to do the creative session indoors. I'm going to go outside to my balcony or terrace, and I'm going to suggest all of you to do the same because it's going to be a very messy creative session. Fun, right? What more do we need? We will need some acrylic or tempera paint, like this one. We will need a canvas, like that one. It could be bigger, it could be smaller. You can use also watercolor paper, but again, I will suggest you to use a canvas because it's much better. You have much more space, and you know that it's something that it's going to be better than use just like a tiny piece of watercolor paper. We will need as well different brushes, different sizes, and we will need cups with water. You will need as many cups as many colors that you choose. So, for example, if we choose 5 colors, we will need 5 cups with water and color in order to have enough material to then drip all the paint in the canvas. So yeah, are you ready? Let's do it. Welcome to my balcony. So I'm going to be probably in the middle. I'm so sorry for my super t-shirt, but that's a t-shirt that it could get really dirty. So yes, wear comfortable clothes to do the sessions. Now we can put the canvas there. Oh, I love the smell of new canvas. So, canvas is there. Before going to the outside area to paint, we will need to do a letter because I don't want just to do a Jackson Pollock impression. I think we should do something different. And I got this amazing idea of just getting tape and putting here a letter that you want to have, or maybe a word. How to do it? You will see it now. First, get a pencil, rubber, and a ruler, and draw the letter that you want to have in your canvas, or maybe a word that you like. And later on, once you have it drawn, you will put some tape on top, and you will see it in the next clips. Don't you worry, it doesn't need to be perfect. It's just something that you're doing for fun. So, I think I'm just saying that to myself. Because I actually am really perfectionist, and I always want to have everything like super well done. But I think art needs to be more fun, right? Not so focusing on what is perfect, more about enjoying the process and enjoying what you're doing. So yeah. And I'm going to do a K of Kulturschöpfer because I think it's going to look really cute and because I want to. So let's see which one is the half. Okay, cool. Now I have a little bit of space here, a lot of space there. That's how I do things. So as you see, not perfectionist. Well, yeah, I'm a perfectionist, but this is not perfect, but it's cool. So yeah, just let it flow, like I do. Good, now once your draw is finished, put the tape on top. How we do this? So very carefully, okay? Get maybe, if you have this kind of tape, it would be good, because I think it's the best one that works as better as I think it will work. And really, again, what I'm trying to do also for myself with these creative sessions is not to be perfect. because as I told you before, me and perfection have been always dealing, and I think it's something that's helping me out, really doing something that I like, but in my own style. So yeah, you should do exactly the same. Try out and see how it looks. Why I always do it short? Okay, I think this thing goes on both sides. Yeah, I don't know where I put out this kind of tape. But yeah. So, if you have just regular tape, do it with regular tape. So it is totally fine, really. You just need to take care that there are no white gaps, because if there are white gaps, the paint is going to go there for sure, 100%. Once you're done, put it outside, get your caps. If you choose 5 colors, you need 5 caps with water, and then put the color in, mix it, and we will start the process. Let's do it. Please, if you have paper caps, much better. I had these ones for a long time at home, and now I can use them finally. So I'm going to choose my colors, put the paint. So as you can see, I have here many colors. Now I'm going to put a little bit of water, mix it, and start the process over there. Always clean your brush before doing another color. Okay. Next one. And like this for it. So now it's time to do like shuffling around the painting, getting the different colors, and just splashing all the paint on the canvas. You can do it one color by one, then you can come back to another color. So it's just a matter of having some fun and enjoying the process. That's what I'm going to do. Again, I'm not a professional, I'm just a person who loves art and who loves to try new things. So please do it in your way, do it how you feel it, and it would be amazing that you are listening your own music and you're feeling the vibrations of the music and you're painting at the same time. That would be great. So yeah, just let's do it. Let's see if you can see me, because I'm going to be, I think, in the middle. So let's get some paint. So in the last clip you were seeing me that I was getting the brush and I was getting a little bit of paint and I was doing just like this, in this exactly direction. I would recommend you to do that plenty of times, and I will also recommend you to don't put too much water in the end when you want to do the details of your paint, because it's much better just to have a little bit of water and much more paint, because then the paint will be more dense, and when you will do this movement you will create tiny dots everywhere and it will look much better. I let it dry overnight and now I'm going to show you the results. So this is how it looks. I think it's amazing. It looks super nice. As you can see here, you can see what I'm talking about. You can see so many dots compared to the last clip that you saw, and it's because I was really giving it a lot of time and doing a lot of time the same colors and then changing, then another color, then again the other one, and just getting in the end the colors that I like. And that's all. And I was using just 2 brushes, one that is a little bit more thick and one that is really, really thin to do the mix, and sometimes to do like this. But really the movement is easy and it's simple. It's this, this, this. As you can see here, it's full of dots. And now is the next step, that is the one of putting out the tape and to see how it looks. Okay, so let's do it. Wow, I think it looks amazing. So now is the moment of truth. Please be very careful when you're going to do that. If you want, you can also get a knife and help yourself with a knife. That I think it's what I'm going to do. Okay. So now has to be really like, you need to be pretty careful because I think it looks super good and I would be really sad if something bad happens to it. And well, it is not what I expected. So I expected this to be white. But you know what I think it happens when I was moving it, because I was doing like this, when the paint was really like liquid, it got all stuck over here. And here you can see that there is none. So I'm going to paint it white. I guess it's going to be fine. But yeah, it happened exactly what I'm saying. Just all the paint get there. But don't you worry, because that could be solved. And it's easy peasy, it's not a difficult thing. If it happens the same, if it happens to you, the same that happens to me, don't you worry, it is not difficult. You get white paint and you paint it on top. And then the result will be amazing. So let's do it. I think I will need to do many like different capes. Again, you see capes like Superman. Layers, Anna, layers. So yeah, now I'm going to do that. I don't want to bore you looking at me doing this. I'm going to stop the clip and we'll see each other when this is solved. See you. And this is the final product. As you can see, I painted really white so we couldn't see the tiny accident that happened, but yeah, it is done. So congratulations, you have finished 1 more creative sessions for kids and adults. I hope that you enjoy the process, that you relax a lot doing it, because sure I did. And if you really like it, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will see the next creative sessions for kids and adults. See you soon. Bye bye.